CodeStack is a software engineering department based out here at the County Office of Education. We started roughly 25 years ago. I was the third person hired to the team as a developer. We developed this for public education for our county office, and it just spread. And we got to see firsthand how collaborating with other districts and across the state can improve the quality of a system for everybody. And so we took that model and we were able to replicate that in other systems. And the next system we introduced was SACE, Special Education Information System, which is an IEP and state reporting system for special ed. We started that right here in San Joaquin County, and it is spread across the state, and it's the most widely used IEP system in the state, with roughly 90% of school districts using it, over 1,100 school districts and 700 plus charter schools and a number of private schools. As a result of that, we have to recruit and hire, and the main focus is always hiring engineers, right, software developers. That was always a challenge for us because there's not a huge pool of this talent in our region. We took it upon ourselves to do something different to fill that void and get the pipeline of developers that we were looking for, who had the skills that we were looking for. And so in 2018, we started something called CodeStack Academy, which is Stockton's first software engineering school that we use to train the latest technologies that we feel add the most value for the people to go find jobs.
The school will be located in the bottom floor of the new CodeStack building, and that's significant too because you're bringing young coders and enthusiastic tech people to the downtown community, and it's one way that, you know, when you look at how you revitalize a downtown, you do it with tech and arts and music and restaurants and housing. And so we are really excited that we are bringing that tech piece to our Stockton revitalization.
As a County Office of Education, very interested in our whole community throughout the county. And there has been a work in Stockton going on to revitalize Stockton for several years. And that was one piece of this as well, as we thought about what can we do to help with this revitalization of downtown Stockton and that area. Why not put a software development department right there in the middle to attract attention? You'll have people that'll want to come and see it, want to come visit.
Our motivation is focused on service and passion for technology and software engineering and the stuff that we love, and leveraging that with our contacts in education and public education, kind of combining that to build something great. With the conference, that's kind of where it all ties into. This is the first time we've hosted it in Stockton.
This year we were excited to bring it to our hometown of Stockton and be able to make it accessible to folks in Northern California, but also to showcase our local community. I think one of the most rewarding pieces about having CSC Live in Stockton this year was in the evening in particular when we all gathered at the ballpark, and there were food trucks there and there were activities on the field, and the second night we had fireworks, and you just saw people really enjoying the waterfront, the beautiful ballpark, the weather. And I heard people saying, I didn't know this even existed in Stockton, and this is my hometown. I've never been down to the waterfront. I didn't know that it was this beautiful. And people from out of town saying, wow, this is cool. This is like really a nice evening and a nice event, and it has such a great feel. So that was awesome to see that and hear that.
CodeStack is unique, and because they are part of the County Office of Education, they continue to understand that service model, and they lead with that same service model. And that's important as we serve the community, the districts, our schools, our students, because it all comes down to students eventually, no matter where we are. We have got to serve the students. And so the things that CodeStack does serves the students, and that's really important to remember.
These are all kind of results of what windows technology can open for any organization. We're a County Office of Education, we're the furthest thing from a tech company, but yet we've had all this success within our program because we saw a void, and we have really smart people on our team that can figure out technology solutions to everyday challenges that educators face. And so the future, I have no idea what the future holds, but I just Can't wait for the next phase of being downtown and having a thriving academy and having a thriving downtown and being a special part of that.